Hey there, this is Jim, your product expert with Sump Pumps Direct, coming to you with another Q&A video for your viewing pleasure and information. We're going to touch today a little bit on high water alarms, why you want one, what they're for, and what they're doing. Basically, I call these cheap insurance. You're going to have a pump down in your pit, whether it's sump or sewage or whatever it might be, indoors or outdoors. If you're indoors and you've got something in a basement, a sump or a sewage pump, and that thing fails, whether you have one, two, or three pumps, you've got a backup generator, whatever it is, say worst case scenario, everything fails, and you've got a real mess on your hands. Whether it's a finished basement or not, it's still a pain in the butt to clean up and take care of. Not to mention the cost involved. Um, you know, this is cheap insurance. This will let you know before anything happens. Hopefully you'll be home and hopefully you can rectify it before, but it'll give you some kind of heads up that something's wrong in that pit. These come in a wide variety of price ranges and options, starting from the bottom left, the basement watchdog high water alarm down here. It's got a sensor with two sensors that you can either lay on the floor next to the pit or drop down into the pit, whatever level you want to be alerted at. That sucker's got a 110 decibel alarm. You'll hear it. If you're home all the time, that will usually sound an alarm loud enough for you to hear. You can take action, whether you got a portable generator you can plug in or get something else going to try and save your basement. If you got a sewage pump, you need a different type of float because of the nature of the beast you're dealing with. So you're going to typically be using a tether float. Most of these, all of them, with the exception of the Burcam over here, will sound an audible alarm, and usually they have some kind of light or beacon to alert you that something's going on. The Burcam is a little bit lower priced, but that's strictly through a Wi-Fi system, so that'll alert you by email or text through your phone or email. The other option over here would be the APAC indoor alarm by Zoller. There's different variations on this from Liberty as well, and I think one or two other options for other manufacturers. They come with different switches. This one is a reed switch for sump. It also comes with a tether float for sewage. This you would download an app through the Apple Store or the Android store, and you would download an app. Very easy to connect to and get that going. This will alert you if you have high water or if you have a power outage. Basically, it senses that outage and sends a little ping out to you and a little notification that your power is out. The Liberty system will also let you know if you have low temperature in your basement, which you can set at whatever level you want. So that's really kind of it. I mean, make sure you're doing the right application, the right alarm for the right application, sump or sewage. If you're outdoors, make sure that switch or that alarm is rated for outdoor application. We've got some ST Rhombus and a couple other ones for sewage applications. It would be listed as indoor-outdoor. The sump alarm is the only one we currently have with Wi-Fi notification for outdoor installations. Those come with a variety of different float types and lengths. There's even one model that'll actually monitor your tank level for sump and let you know how much water is being pumped out per cycle. So it's pretty high-tech stuff. Hopefully that answers some questions on high water alarms, why you want one. 2 words: cheap insurance. So hopefully that helps you out a little bit. If you have any more questions or ideas for Q&A videos, shoot me an email, give me a call, check out our website, sumppumpsdirect.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, you all have a great day. Take care.